Yeah, g'day YouTubers, Briezy here. Kel's not here. She's gone down south with a mum and a daughter and a granddaughter. So, you know. Hey, I'm losing weight and it's working. It doesn't look like it, but it's working down that way. The mid-range, it's working. I was 133. I'm now 122 and losing more, so it's working. So by the title, Breeze skinny dipping. Not right now, but you know, maybe later in life, you never know. But what I'm actually doing, well, you know, you don't lose weight eating shit. And I'm talking, you know, CC's. What goes with CC's? Doritos, they're brothers. They're both on sale, you know, half price, so why not? Buy them both. And hey, while the cat's away, the mouse will play. But you still gotta have, I always say you gotta enjoy life. You only live once, so hey, I still eat a little bit of crap food like this, but I still do it sparingly. I don't pig out and eat the whole 2 bags in one big hit. Saying that, you know, when you buy French onion dip, avocado dip, any of those corn relish dip, it's full of sugar and salt and all the rest of it. Not here. I got the avocado to go. So what we're going to do is grab a knife. Where's a knife when you really want one? That'll do. I'm just going to fill it. Cut it in half. Go around the seed. And if you're a child, please make sure that mum or dad are doing this. And always cut away from your hands. Don't cut towards your hands, because if the knife slips, you're going to cut yourself. So it's been cut around, and I always twist, split, and this one I'm going to use. This one goes in the fridge because it's already, so you can put salt and pepper on that and eat it straight out of that. Oh, it's beautiful. But that one there's for later. Some people go, now how do you get rid of that? It's where the knife comes in again. With this, hands away from it, and you aim for the seed. Turn it left, put it in the bowl that you're going to put it in, and you can either pull or in the garbage bin. This bowl's a bit flimsy, but the garbage bin or whatever, and you usually just pull and it slides off. So sink works good. There you go, you just heard it fall off. There you go. Stick it in some water. The skin falls off, and then you can replant it. And then you grow an avocado tree. I'm in a rental, so it ain't gonna grow here. Get a spoon. Get the avocado. This one's better because it's a little bit bigger. And go around. Like that. Scoop it out like you're scooping ice cream out. Like that. Into the bowl, and then you end up with a little bit like that. And if you like avocado, some people don't like it like this. Sometimes it's too rich for people like this. Like Wayne. He'd be dry reaching by now. Soft. People are soft sometimes, like Wayne. Just soft, I tell you. Then you want your fork. Get your fork. Yeah, you get your avocado, which is nice and ripe, and you mush it like you're making scrambled egg. Scrambled egg. Or mushy peas, or mushy avocado. Mushy banana. Who has mushy banana on bread with a bit of sugar and drizzle of honey? Oh yeah! Look at that. Nice and soft. Now, I went for just the straight sour cream. Notice while Kel's not here, I'm not yawning. Haha, Kel. And we get our spoon again. That we got we got half of that into there, which means I can make another avocado dip for the other half. Where's my... I know where my salt is. Salt's over there somewhere. A little bit of pepper, black or grey or white. We've got white fine, doesn't matter. It's to your own taste. Now, my phone might fall over doing this. I got a little bit of Italian herbs. Little sprinkle of Italian herbs. You can put whatever you want in it. Oh yeah. There it is. Oh. Now it looks like ice cream, doesn't it? No sugar. Now you can leave it lumpy if you want. Now just think, your friends are outside having a couple of drinks, talking whatever, BS or whatever, and you're inside making this, none of the wiser. And guess what? It's healthy because why? You've made it at home. Now, some people put a little bit of with lemon juice, but lemon juice makes it go a little bit curdled, so don't put lemon juice in it. Look at that, nice and thick. Oh. Doritos CCs. Doritos CCs. I might save the Doritos for later because they're the best, but I like my CCs. So we'll go to CCs. The dogs are looking at me going, yes, I'll have a CC. Should smell the corn. Oh my god. And of course I pick up a broken one. Look at that, beautiful. No word of a lie, look at this. Straight in. It doesn't break. And guess what? Oops, that wasn't mine, that was hers. While you're inside your house making it, nobody knows, but hey, double dip. You're the chef, you've got to try it, make sure it's safe for others to eat. Homemade avocado dip. Now, take the sour cream, take the avocado out, put in crab meat, minus all the juice. So, get rid of all the juice, use crab meat. Get the dry French onion soup mix, put that in with sour cream. French onion mix. With some dried bacon. Dried bacon. You name it. Whatever. You like chili? Put chili in it. I don't like chili, so I ain't putting chili in it. But if you like sun-dried tomatoes, put sun-dried tomato in it. If you like cream corn, you know, put cream corn in it with sour cream. Cooking has no set rule and there's no set recipe. It's all trial and error. We all know